My name is Edward Anderson, and this is my video demo for my PLC sequence as part of PDE 3422. Here's my pneumatics build, and here's me demonstrating the LDR light detector. I press a button on the HMI, which you will see closer, to calibrate the current light level. You can also now see me demonstrating the drop-down selector for the sequence repeat counter. By pressing the F6 function key, the sequence begins, and you'll now see a complete run-through of the designed sequence. I've also added an emergency stop button, which is that yellow and red unit in the top right, which uses a normally closed switch, as is convention for the emergency stop, and when triggered will pause the sequence exactly where it is, give an alarm on the HMI, and light up the switch, as you can see. Now, the program cannot be started unless the light level is above the point which we calibrated at the beginning of the sequence. And another analog input is used along the top panel, which is used to vary the time delay, which is represented by t seconds within the sequence. Here you can see the pistons virtualized on the HMI as a computer demo of the piston position to show the operator, as well as a third virtual piston as part of the sequence. And here you can see me demonstrating the LDR allows the sequence to run if the light level drops during. However, the sequence, when it returns to the beginning, cannot start again until the light level has returned to above the calibrated value. You can see it's now paused, and it has now started again. Here is a close-up of the HMI. You can see I press the calibrate button, which takes the current light level and sets it within the PLC as the calibrated value. You can also see the sequence displayed along the top, as well as an image representing the current stage of the sequence. Along the left there is the time delay translated from the analog voltage into a second delay. And there's also two boxes to calibrate that analog voltage if the operator wishes a more accurate calibration. Here you can see the virtual pistons using simulated data generated within the PLC, and piston A and B is tracked based off the piston position, and piston V is simulated. This is the alarm page, which primarily shows the alarms based from the analog LDR as discrete alarms, and here is a pop-up alarm for when the E-stop has been pressed. You can see me resetting the sequence by pressing stop, acknowledging the alarm, and then pressing start. When you see me hit the pause button as F7, you can see the pause time delay remaining. It goes up until 5 seconds, and then the sequence continues. Here there is also a drop down for the repeat value. And thank you for watching, and that has been my demonstration.